Hi, my name is Rishabh, and today I speak about the topic, or we can say, I can tell about the topic, the angle modulation generation of FM. FM generation are of two types: direct method and indirect method. Direct method for parameter variation method, and indirect method Armstrong method. So, you can see here the direct method. The straightforward requires a VCO whose oscillation frequency has a linear dependence on a applied voltage, and it has advantages and disadvantages also. Advantages: the large frequency deviation, and disadvantages: the carrier frequency tends to drift and must be stabilized. For example circuits are a reactance modulator, vector diode. So direct voltage to frequency conservation with the help of a VCO, लाइक वोल्टेज कंट्रोल्ड ओसिलेटर. सो इसमें हमने बताया कि जो डायरेक्ट मेथड होता है उसमें हम वी सी यूज़ करते हैं. इनपुट अगर हमारी एम टी होगी तो आउटपुट हमारी वी एफ एम टी होगी. एज वी सी ओ परफॉर्म्स वोल्टेज टू फ्रीक्वेंसी कन्वर्जन. इट इज़ पॉसिबल फॉर वी सी ओ टू जनरेट एफ एम फॉर बोथ बीटा इज ग्रेटर देन वन एंड बीटा is less than equal to 1 differently. This can be both are differently, that beta is greater than 1 and beta is less than equal to 1. As direct methods are direct FM generation are divided into three parts: vector diode modulator, FM reactance modulator, and LIC direct FM modulator. But in this we can only talk about the vector diode modulator and FM reactance modulator. As you can see, there are these circuit is of reactance modulator. This diagram. In FM output master oscillator, there are six resistances, three capacitors, one VCC, and one input FM output, and second one is a vector diode modulator. You can see the diagram in the slide. In a vector diode modulator, R1 and R2 develop DC voltage that is a by vector diode VD1. The external modulating signal voltage add to and subtract from the DC bias, which changes the capacitance of a diode, thus the frequency of oscillation changes. So, the positive alternation of a modulation signal increase the reverse bias on VD1, which decrease the capacitance of a diode, thus the frequency of oscillation increases, and negative for the negative alternation of the modulated signal decreases the reverse bias on a VD1, which increase the capacitance of a diode, thus the frequency of oscillation decreases. In a सो हमें इसमें बताया गया है कि हमारा अगर पॉजिटिव VD1 होगा तो जो हमारे पास डायोड की कैपेसिटेंस होगी वो डिक्रीज होगी और फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ ऑसिलेशन इंक्रीज होगी. And if the negative VD1, then which can increase the capacitance of a diode, and oscillation जो होती है वो हमारी decrease होती है. So next is means this part is crystal oscillator used to provide stable frequency. The peak frequency deviation is limited to relation small value. The center rest frequency of a carrier, हाँ इसकी जो center frequency of carrier है वो FC is equal to 1/2 pi under root LC हजर्ट्स. इसकी जो ये जो वैल्यू होगी हजर्ट्स में होगी. Here in this the frequency with a modulating signal applied, f is equal to 1/2 pi under root L C plus delta C hazards. F is the new frequency of oscillation and delta C is a change in the vector diode capacitance due to modulating signal. Change in the frequency of a peak frequency deviation hazard, delta F. And the next one is indirect method Armstrong modulator. By using frequency of a conversion that involves two methods: heterodyne method and multiplication method. So, indirect method FM generation for Armstrong frequency modulator. इनडायरेक्ट मेथड आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग मेथड में हम एम टी पहले एम टी इनपुट होगी, एन बी एफ एम मीन्स नैरो बैंड फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेटर जो होगा वो होगा, फिर उससे आगे फ्रीक्वेंसी मल्टीप्लाई होगा, फिर उसमें जो हमको आउटपुट मिलेगी वो वाइड बैंड फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेटर होगा. Here you can see the wideband Armstrong modulator diagram. So here is a audio input, there is a FM output, a complete Armstrong modulator is supposed to provide a 75 kHz frequency deviation. It uses a balanced modulator and a 90 phase shift to phase modulate a crystal oscillator. Required deviation obtained by a combination of a multiplers and a mixer rise to single from 40 Hz to 902 MHz plus minus 75 Hz substitute for broadcasting. The next one is FM detection or demodulation. Is a process of getting back of regeneration the original modulating signal from the modulated FM signal. So जो हमने जो ओरिजिनेट किया होता है हमने एफ एम डिटेक्शन में जो हमने ओरिजिनेट किया होता है सिग्नल, अगर उसको हमने बैक करके लेके आना हो, मतलब उसको वापस जो हमारी इनपुट में चेंज करना हो, तो उसको बोलते हैं एफ एम डिटेक्शन. इट कैन बी अचीव फॉर कन्वर्टिंग द फ्रीक्वेंसी डेविएशन ऑफ एफ एम सिग्नल टू द वेरिएशन ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेज. द डिमोडुलेटर विद प्रोड्यूस एन आउटपुट वेयर इट इंस्टेंटेनियस amplitude is proportional to the instantaneous frequency of the input FM signal. The last part is that to detect an FM signal, it is necessary to have a circuit whose output voltage varies linearly with the frequency of the input signal. They are of several types: PLL, phase lock loop demodulator, slope detection, FM discriminator, or radio detector, like this more. So this is a diagram of a PLL modulator. There is the FM input FIT phase, and second one is first one is phase detector, then low pass filter, then amplifier, then output is demodulator signal output. Then here is one feedback through VCO, which connect to the phase detector. Here in this we can study about the comparison AM and FM. Its SNR can be increased without increases transmitted power about the 25 dB higher than in AM. Certain form of interference at the receiver are more easily to suppressed, as FM receiver has a limiter which eliminates the amplitude variation and fluctuation. So there is more that, like, power content is constant and fixed, and there is no wastage of a power transmitter. Here is the application of FM used as a WBFM in a FM broadcasting and TV audio modulation, used as a NBFM in a VHF communication equipment such as a portable mobile and base station. It is preferred because of its immunity to noise or interference at the frequency, which use the antennas of reasonable size. मीन्स जो इसके जो एंटीनाज होते हैं वो भी रीजनेबल साइज़ के होते हैं, इम्यूनिटी ऑफ नॉइज़ भी कम होती है, इंटरफेरेंस भी कम होता है. फ्रीक्वेंसी विच यूज, इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी भी मतलब उस टाइप की होती है कि एंटीना जो होते हैं वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर. हियर इज एंगल मॉड्यूलेशन विच यू नीड टू फैमिलियर विद, लाइक हियर इज वन wave like this. Yeah, this. Here is a one wave up, down, and up. Then second one is first one is message signal, second one is carrier signal, third one is frequency modulator signal, which comes from the message signal and carrier signal with the addition, or like this means the, अगर हमारे पास जो मैसेज सिग्नल की वेव जो होगी वो पॉजिटिव में होगी, तो हमारी जो ये होगी हमारी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी वहाँ तक जो होगी पॉजिटिव की, तो वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. फिर उसके बाद जो अगर नेगेटिव में होगी तो ये कम हो जाएगी कैरियर सिग्नल के साथ मिलके. Here is a comparison between NBFM and WBFM, wideband frequency modulation and narrowband frequency modulation. First part of a wideband frequency modulating index is greater than 1. For narrowband frequency modulation index is less than 1. In wideband there is greater than 1. In narrowband there is less than 1. For a wideband frequency deviation is 75 kHz, and for narrowband frequency deviation is 5 kHz. For wideband modulation frequency range from 30 Hz to 15 kHz. For narrowband it is only a 3 kHz. For wideband frequency modulator bandwidth is 15 times the narrowband, and for narrowband the 2 FM bandwidth is 2 FM. For wideband noise is more suppressed, and for narrowband less suppression of noise. For wideband entertainment and broadcasting, it is used for entertainment and broadcasting. For narrowband it is used for mobile communication. So here we can see for जो narrowband हमारे पास frequency modulator होता है वो mobile communication के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. So here are some advantages you can see here, and here are some disadvantages. Disadvantages are: angle modulation requires a transmission bandwidth much larger than the message signal bandwidth. Angle modulation requires more complex and expensive circuit than AM. So thank you. This is for video and of angle modulation. Thank you. Have a nice day.